In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this error that says your IT administrator has limited access. So to fix this, what you need to do is use the link in the description to head to this Microsoft support page. Now here scroll down and click on this link, that is the link to download the security health setup. It's perfectly safe to download, so simply download it. Once you have downloaded this file, head to the downloads folder. Now right click on the downloaded file and then select run as administrator. After running this file, simply go ahead and try opening the Windows security app again. If that doesn't work, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then select terminal admin from the list. Now in the terminal admin window, you will need to run a bunch of commands, so I'll leave them in the description. So simply copy this command and then paste it here and then select paste anyway. Finally hit enter to run the command. After running the command, check if the issue is resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.